Hi guys, hi again. Okay, so now we will see next set of questions. Okay, so a desired beam is achieved by changing input signal. Um, what is it? Excitation, amplitude, and phase, excitation, resistance, and capacitance, gain and directivity, or beam width. So it's a simple question. If you, I think we have discussed, we have spent some time on arrays in the presentation. You can just looking at that, you should be able to answer this question. It's analog beamforming. Different signals are fed for each antenna element. Is it true? So you should be able to differentiate between analog and beamforming. That is, because based on the feeding signal feeding. So this will vary. Analog so analog, there is a difference between analog and digital. So where the by feeding the input signals. So feeding of input signals has a different role in analog and digital beamforming. That is where the big difference is there. So based on, if you go through that one slide where we discussed beamforming, analog beamforming, digital beamforming, and all. So that by looking at that, you should be able to answer this question. So digital beamforming is more flexible than analog beamforming. Is it true? Okay. So which measurement technique is used to test different beamforming scenarios? That you have to see. Next is measurement techniques used for indirect far field measurements. I think we have discussed these things several times. Okay, you can just go through that. Indirect far field. Okay, not direct far field. Remember indirect far field. Okay, I think we have mentioned something. Beamforming can be achieved by modifying what? I think the 16th question and 21st question almost the same answer. Okay, it's the same answer only but different form. I think okay answers are there. Okay, that's fine. So which positioner is widely used in OTA setup? Because we cannot use arbitrary position, so positioner. So that I think it's a straightforward answer. You can see. So more than one transmitting and receiving antennas are used in transmitting and receiving antennas are used in to test OTA DOT. Is it right? I think by looking at the OTA chamber you should be able to answer this question. Channel emulator is used to mimic what? So there are multiple things are there. If a fading scenario, so multiple things are there. What is it? Is it fading scenario or channel models or multipath effect? Please accordingly. Okay. Thank you.